This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, January 2nd, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at noon today. We have a shortwave moving across the middle Mississippi River Valley. This is taking the Clipper system that brought some snow to the state yesterday off to our east. It's going to be bringing the cold air down with it. Highs today will be struggling in the single digits, maybe nearing 10 in the far southern counties as the skies begin to clear to be partly to mostly sunny as the storm moves off to the east. Friday morning will be very cold. Maybe temperatures will be rising by a little before sunrise in the western counties. Lows Friday morning will be well below zero, teens to maybe low 20s below zero. Highs will be back in the teens and 20s, but unfortunately Saturday, here comes another Clipper system. Temperatures will likely hit their highs of the day early in the day Saturday, then falling through the single digits or into the single digits by evening. Sunday morning could be quite chilly, lows well below zero once again. Highs may struggle to reach zero with partly to mostly sunny skies. Sunday night will also be very cold. Lows well below zero, teens, lower 20s below zero, could be record-breaking. Highs may not even reach zero in many areas, as it'll be mainly sunny, but that's not going to help a whole heck of a lot. Tuesday will be cold in the morning, but then the winds will be turning around to the south and west. That should bump temperatures at least above zero, single digits northeast to maybe near 20 in the southwest. And then, unfortunately, the southerly winds tap the Gulf of Mexico, and some snow may break out across the southern counties of the state here on Wednesday. Accumulations look to be, fairly light, maybe an inch or two. And then a week from today, we have a system moving through the Great Lakes. We have a shortwave moving through Arizona with the southern jet stream. The northern jet stream a little more flat. And it's going to be mainly seasonal temperatures. My gosh, seasonal temperatures. Highs mainly in the upper teens to lower to middle 20s. Any snow will be off to our east. A little bit of snow off in the Four Corners region as well. In the extended period, January the 13th, we have another trough and shortwave moving in from the west. And unfortunately with that pattern, that means more cold air is going to be coming again. As the flow will be coming back from the north and west, that's going to bring another Clipper system and cold air coming down from the Arctic once again. That could bring us some snow, maybe around the 14th or so. Storm on the east coast will be bringing some rain and mountain snow there. And then at the end of the forecast on the 17th of January, we have a 582 ridge over the west. Unfortunately, that's just taking air from the Yukon and the Northwest Territories and dumping it in our direction. It's also going to be bringing in Clipper systems that could bring us some snow at that time. With warmer weather not that far away, but we'll see if this continues on future runs that we could see some moderating temperatures by mid-month. The satellite image from last evening, we had the one system moving across the middle Mississippi River Valley with a bit of snow there. Subtropical jet still moving through the south with some high and mid-level clouds, and a new storm moving into the Pacific Northwest. The watch warning map from last evening, some winter weather issues from Kansas, Missouri, and eastward into the New England states, wind chill advisories across most of Iowa, northward into Minnesota and Wisconsin, and some wind issues in Montana. The QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 6 o'clock, showing the heaviest precipitation through the Ohio Valley. That'll be all in the form of snow into the New England states and across the southeast coast as well.